Hello everyone, this is part 3 of the Bosch washing of the rinsing stage. Cause we're just on the second spin stage. Oh, I love that. Oh, it's chugging faster. Go on, pump, chugger. I just love the pump on Bosches. I'll film it here, like you did with the first spin. Oh, here we go. Let's see how unbalanced it is. That looks fine. Whoa, that looks unbalanced. Nope. Nope. It won't go like that. Oh, nope. First attempt. Come on now. Oh, yes, that should be fine. Nope. Nope. Still unbalanced. Can't just stay at the pump now. You can probably hear the pump now. Nope. I love that. Right, second attempt. Oh no, certainly not. This is gonna take a while. Let's just count how many attempts this is gonna do. Third attempt. Come on. Nope, still unbalanced. Oh no, this is just what I hate on Bosches. Why can't Bosch spin the other way and then distribute again? I don't know why. Anyway, fourth attempt. It'll take a while. Oh yes. Yeah, that's alright. Can't see right because of the. Oh, here we go. Oh, I love that. Chugging. Oh no, that's unbalanced. Because it might be fine, actually. Right, first ramp up to 400. Right, here we go. Oh my, that's unbalanced. That's 400. Whoa, that's very shaky. It's even shaking Peter. You can't see it. Probably you can't see it on camera. Yeah, that's silly unbalanced. Whoa. I better hold it, just in case if it goes wild. It should be fine. Oh, here we go to 800. Oh no. Probably that's the motor. I'm surprised this washer's still going after 15 years almost. Shaking like hell. Yeah, it's shaking like hell. Yeah, I can't see it shaking on camera. Whoa! That's the worst spin I've ever seen. That's 800. Whoa, that's unbalanced. That. Look how the seals on that's shaking. Look at that. That's silly unbalanced. It's even shaking that bag. How's he even shaking now because it's not near the washer? Weird. Anyway, second rinse. Oh, look at Peter up there. Oh my, that's unbalanced. Anyway, second rinse. That's unbalanced, that was. Probably another refill in a minute. This cotton wash takes three rinses, so.
Itself can transfigure this situation, transform. That is the hope that.
Oh, top up, Phil. I'm not gonna put this on my YouTube channel because there might be some underwear in there, so better not. Actually, I might put it on my YouTube channel if Nana doesn't mind. Nana doesn't mind because I did a video of this 2 years ago. She didn't mind it, so. That's enough. Oh, then hang on. I'm just going to go to the blue. Let's go to the irreconcilable difference. If that compromise with Labour or Theresa May works regarding the votes over the line to the whole Tory agreement, then not. Are you spicing up? Sprouts. What are we having for lunch, Nana? For lunch? Oh, gammon and lamb. Oh, don't forget your Yorkshire puddings. Yes! And seasoned pudding for Dad. It's just on the second rinse, Nana. Yeah. I just love my vegetables, Nana. I love them. The washer's just on second rinse. I know what stage it's on. So. Pardon me. I think this is part 3, but I'm not quite sure. I might have said it at the start, but I really can't remember, so that's that. So I'll meet you in part 4, so.